Hi, in front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids and install free app from Mad Scientist developer. Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme. When your app is ready, open it and mute the music right away by clicking on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Yes in the pop-up. Now click on this gear at the top right corner and after selecting I accept in First Things First pop-up, manage all of those options however you want to. You can also just click on Presets at the top left corner. Click on the best option for you and confirm your choice by hitting Yes in Load Preset pop-up. Then go back, tap on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and tap on one of those options in order to apply it on home screen only or home screen and lock screen. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!